yung mga city officials. And Sir Eli Estante, our Executive Assistant for Markets and Slaughterhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the significant moment together. In a count of 5, let us open the emblem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! To commence this historic occasion, we now proceed to the photo opportunity.